So today I will present you how to use the Enterprise Portal application package. So let's begin. The aim of this module is to allow you to package your static website to make it available in OPEX application server and to allow your end user to have a smooth experience to navigate the content of your Enterprise Portal. This package is composed of three parts: the Enterprise Portal, the static website API REST, and the static website content. The first one allows you to make your static website available as a tile in the HS portal and ensure the access to the website and ensure the access to the static website is done through a proper authentication process, login, password, or for example SSO. The API REST, donc, with that you can add a complementary REST API to OPEX to enable generation of the static website. And finally, you can, with the static website content, finally the static website content allow you to encapsulate your static web pages generated by OPEX in this and this module will be automatically replicated on all cluster nodes. So now I will show you a quick demo of the installation procedure. So go to the instance manager. From the HS portal, access the HS console with your admin login, and then you will look for the Enterprise Portal to download. So you go to the module list and you search for the Enterprise Application Package, and by selecting this module, by selecting this package, the three modules integrated will be downloaded and deployed. So we can have a view of the three modules downloaded in the cluster view. And here we see the three modules. Now let's take a step back on what we did so far. So we connected to the HS console. We downloaded the Enterprise Portal application package with the three modules. Then the next step for us will be to create and collect all the information that will be needed in a config file. A website ID, an API key, a server URL. We will see all of that together. And finally, the last step will be the generation and packaging and the access to your static website. So let's begin with the creation of an API key. So you go to API key, create, you will set a name. Then you will connect your OPEX session. You set your login. You choose an environment ID. You select a repository. And finally, the profile. When it's done, you click Submit, and you will copy your URL. To be simpler, I paste it in a node file. So I will log out to show you the next step on how to get your website ID. So I log in the OPEX web frontend with the login and password, and I click Sign in. I select my repository and profile, and I will enter in the web application. Here, I will go and find the website list to look for the website that I just created for this test. So in the properties of this website and general information, I will look for the ID. I will copy this information in my notes, and I will show you the last step. The last step will be to get the URL of your HIS instance. So you simply click on your navigator in the URL bar. You will copy the URL and paste it in the file. So now we'll go in the HIS folder. So from Mega, OPEX Application Server, you choose your instance. You go in the shadow files where you will find the three modules, the macro, the content, and the navigator. You click on the content, and you will find a folder named Daily Batch where you will find two items, the config file and the generate and package. So firstly, we'll go in the config file where we'll put all the information that we made previously. And from the notes that I have, I will simply copy all the elements into this config file. So I start with the website ID. And then I will put my API key. You can see that in this example that it was the generation of a simple website in English, and that's why I put the language code EN. So I save the file, and now we will proceed to the generation and package of the module. So we will run the script with PowerShell. And depending on the size of your website, it will take some time. So we are now at the generation and package step. And the next step will be to access and view your website from the HIS portal that I will just show right now. So you can connect on the new module with your OPEX login, and you will have the access to your static website. So as you can see, you have the OPEX 360 template, and you can navigate into this example as a website. So for example, you can look for your application, and you can log out.